Hey everyone, welcome to Color by Feliks. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you how I finalize and finish this acrylic painting and the materials we need for today. I'm going to use paper palette, and I like using this because once you're done you can just bunch it up and throw it away. Very easy to use. And then we're going to need titanium white, carbon black, and phthalo blue for this painting. And then an inch flat brush. We're going to paint the edges of this gallery style canvas all around, and also after that we're going to use Gloss by Gamvar. I really love this brand because you can do it indoors, it doesn't smell, and it is good for acrylic and oil paintings. So we're going to pick up our titanium white, and I'm going to squeeze about like a thumb amount of white, and then next is carbon black, and I'm going to do 2 thumbs amount. And then finally we're going to use phthalo blue. And why phthalo blue? Because the painting is mainly, the colors are blue, so I chose to do the borders more like, bluish. And then I'm going to mix the colors with my palette knife, make sure I mix it well. And then once you mixed it well, the whole color is even, you can see it's kind of grayish blue, right? Pile it up like this, and we're gonna start painting our edges. So here's my inch flat brush, and I'm just gonna start painting. And this is how I do it. I don't know, there's many different ways of painting your edges, but I love to just go one color all around. It creates a nice kind of like frame for your painting. So it works really nice on, especially if your canvas is gallery. So this is a thicker canvas, which looks great when you have just one color all around. And like I said, I chose a color that is has some blue in it, but it is darker. I like going a little bit darker on my borders, but based on the painting, like let's say if my painting is more like sunset colors, right, more reddish or orange, I will pick, I'll add red to my black and a little bit of white. But I most of the time I always add white and black, and then whichever color the painting, the theme of the painting. And so for this one, as you saw, it was more blue. So this is how I paint all my edges. As you could see, I'm just taking my time, and then once I'm done I use a hair dryer, and I put it on warm and dry out all around the painting. And acrylics dry pretty fast. And once I'm done, I'm going to pick up my gloss and put some gloves on if you have some, and I'm just gonna spread it like this, and then pick up my 2-inch foam. This is a one-time use brush, so you don't need to wash, because it's kind of hard to get the varnish out of the brush. So that's what I learned, and this is easier. These are super cheap brushes. You can get them at Home Depot or any art store, and it's a really good one-time use. And what I do is I actually try to have several paintings ready so that I could use that foam brush for several of my paintings when I varnish, right? So but for this video I'm just gonna do this painting here. And then of course, once I'm done evenly spreading the varnish, I'm gonna paint also cover the sides of my painting here. Something to keep in mind is that you can varnish anytime once your painting is dry. So acrylics dry fast, and you can go ahead and varnish right away if you'd like. I prefer that because then it's fresh and the dust won't collect over time. But here you go. This is how I finalized my painting. I hope you enjoyed this. I wanted to remind you guys that I also have my painting mentorship program where I teach how to paint paintings like this and more. It is, I release a new full step-by-step tutorial every month, and we have a Facebook community where we encourage one another, have giveaways and games and things like that. So if you'd like to be a part of that, check out the link down below in the comments, and hope to see you guys there. Thanks again, guys. Take care and God bless.